What if your money worked for you, even while you sleep? What if your 9-to-5 job was optional? Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to achieve financial freedom. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a portfolio that pays for your lifestyle. Financial freedom means your income from assets covers your living expenses. You earn money, even when you're not working. Unlike stocks or crypto, real estate is stable, tangible, and scalable. You can earn from day one and grow faster using the bank's money. To be financially free, you need enough passive income to cover your monthly costs. That's your freedom number. How much income do you need to live your ideal life? That's your starting point. Decide your timeline, 5, 10, or 15 years. Break it into milestones. You don't need millions to start. Buy a single high-yield rental in a growing suburb. As your property increases in value, use the equity to fund your next investment. Add more properties gradually. Focus on cash flow, growth, and smart locations. Mix it up. Metro and regional, houses and units, new builds and established. Review your portfolio regularly. Adjust for growth, performance, and market changes. Cash flow helps you grow. Capital growth builds wealth. Aim for both in balance. Meet Jane. She bought 4 properties in 5 years. She now earns $4,800 a month in rent. And her equity? Over $300,000. From depreciation to deductions, real estate investors can legally reduce their taxes. Control a $500,000 asset with just $50,000 deposit. That's leverage, and it accelerates your journey to wealth. Don't over-leverage. Don't skip your research. And never buy based on emotion. Financial freedom takes time, but small, smart steps compound into massive results. Be consistent. Educate yourself. Surround yourself with smart investors. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. Like this video if you're ready to start your journey. Subscribe for more personal finance and real estate tips. Financial freedom is waiting. Go get it.